Object-Oriented Modeling with PowerDesigner. Introduction to UML. In this session, we will quickly highlight the various UML components and how they interrelate within PowerDesigner. PowerDesigner has all of the UML diagrams following the 1.3, 1.4, and elements of the 2.0 specification. Here we'll be showing a series of the most commonly used UML diagrams, starting with the order entry use case example of a use case diagram. The use case diagram answers the who or what, where the actors represent the who and the use cases represent the what. From there we can look at dynamic analysis through sequence diagrams which show the communication between various business components and system components. The communications are represented by these messages from actors to object instances or between object instances. The sequence diagram shows a precise timing, where the collaboration diagram shows the exact same metadata, but shows it in a timeless fashion, but more interested in who communicates directly with whom. This is a useful diagram for helping us understand where interfaces may need to be built between the various elements of our system. Other diagrams that help us perform the analysis and design aspects are the activity diagram, which show a complete logical flow of our entire system's logic, as well as the state chart diagram, which shows the transitions from state to state. As we get closer to the design and deployment, we have various physical models that represent the actual deployment of our systems. We have the main class diagram, which shows the various classes and how they interrelate with each other, and the component diagram, which shows a black box approach to various collections of classes and interfaces that will interact together. Elements of the component diagram, such as this customer bean, can easily be represented as a class diagram showing the constituents of the component broken into their classes and interfaces parts. The object diagram is a diagram that shows the various elements of the class diagram as specific examples or scenarios. And finally, the deployment diagram will show the various nodes, which represent computers or computer systems or subsystems, and components, which are the instances of our system participating on those nodes to plan out the deployment architecture of our systems. So all of these UML diagrams and all of the UML artifacts, all stored in one model in PowerDesigner, allow us to interact between all of these different models. For example, an actor, regardless of which diagram it appears on, is the same actor. So you can see when I select Find in Diagram that I have multiple diagram types, a sequence, a use case, a collaboration in the case of the customer actor, to find this particular individual object on. All metadata, where possible to be reused between all of the different diagrams, is reused. We will cover some of the details of the UML diagrams in upcoming sessions.